welcome back to the channel, and today we will be doing 3 million coins with a Madden packs. As the title says, this is all the way true. 150 packs. It says 151, but that's because I have this for my upcoming video that I'm going to be making later today. And yeah, we're just going to do 20 packs at a time because I don't want this to go by too fast. So let's see here. This is 20. I'm just gonna open one pack for each batch, and then we'll open all 80 over more than Humphrey. Open all. Okay, a few 80s, but that's not good. We're going for. I'm gonna try to do 3 85 pluses. That's my goal. Another 20 packs. Nothing good in there. Ooh, an 80! Oh my gosh! That batch was way better. We got an 85 Aaron Donald, 86 TJ Watt, and 88 Bo Jackson. I never had that card. That was one of the limited times. So yeah, that's a good card to pull. Now we'll open this pack. Nothing there. Oh, I didn't mean to open this pack. Dang it. Open all. What do we get? 86. Okay, that's 4 85 pluses. That's 4 85 pluses. And after this stack, I'm gonna do a big stack of, I think it'd be 70 and 80 there, and open all. What do we get? 80, another 80, 86, 85. Holy, that was good. So that would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 85 pluses. 10 85 pluses. Let's take that out, and here we go. Now, oh, dang it, my battery's running low. Okay, and here we go. I'm going to scroll to the bottom and not look. You guys can see it right now, but I can't. Okay, I'm stopping right here. So I see 75s. Sorry if the audio is kind of wacky. I want to go to the elites. 77s. 78s. 79s. Here we are at 80s. So we have 10 85 pluses so far. Now let's check. 11. Holy. 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 85 pluses. I seriously thought we were only going to get 3. My prediction was way off. Let's go. Yeah, so later today I'm gonna have a series starting. Is my idea, but it's from somebody else. Once that goes up, you'll know who I'm talking about. But yeah, that'll be for the video, guys. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you next time, guys. Peace.